From Narufenya, he was put on an aircraft and taken to Moroto. And while in Moroto, after 2 days in Moroto, he was taken to the court there and charged with treason and remanded in Moroto government prison. After some time in Moroto government prison, when I was due to appear, when I appeared in court again, the prosecutors applied to transfer me to Luzira. And on that very day that I appeared in court, I was again put in an aircraft and flown to Kajansi. It was a fixed wing aircraft. And then from Kajansi, driven to Luzira upper prison. Where I stayed for some time until I got bail. That treason case was never followed after I got bail. Until I learned from the media that it had been withdrawn in 2021, after 5 years.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.